But we begin with the latest on the coronavirus. Ohio reported 2,167 new cases today, which is the highest daily number since April. Just 2.5 weeks ago, we only had 301 daily cases. And the CDC continues to track the virus transmission county by county. And tonight, Lake County is in the orange category after seeing a spike in cases. Erie, Carroll, and Richland counties are now in red. That's the highest level, also seeing increases. And as those numbers go up, more counties are crossing the CDC's threshold to recommend mask wearing indoors, regardless of vaccination status. Lena Lai has the latest guidance and how local schools are responding.
Today, more calls to mask up.
We're tired of this. I'm like you. I'm vaccinated, and I was enjoying getting out without a mask. But now is not the time to let up on our hard work.
Cuyahoga County leaders ordering everyone, regardless of vaccination status, to wear masks in all county buildings.
Have a good day.
And the health department strongly recommending all students and staff wear masks in school, while kids are at low risk of severe disease.
The concern is that the Delta strain will present an increased risk for exposure to these children and those around them.
Now the decision shifts to school districts with a patchwork of policies. In Olmsted Falls, masks are optional in schools. In Cleveland, masks required. And in Twinsburg, a mix. Only students younger than 12 and their teachers are required to wear masks.
And we know that it changes on a regular basis.
The Maple Heights School District is now reviewing the new guidance and is considering a mask requirement.
I think families are finally understanding, now after a year that, we all have to be flexible with when new guidance comes out and there's new science or new data that tells us different things. We have to take a look at it and make the decisions.
Meanwhile, as Delta is now the dominant variant in Northeast Ohio, NBC News reports that the FDA could give final approval to Pfizer's vaccine early next month. And doctors say that can't happen soon enough. Hospitalizations in Ohio rising steadily over the last 2 weeks. Right now, close to 800 people are in Ohio hospitals with COVID-19.
You have been waiting to get vaccinated. Now is the time.
And tonight, at least 3 other districts I reached out to cite a lack of a state or county mandate in their decision not to require masks in schools. But such a mandate may not ever come. You remember Governor DeWine says he no longer has that authority to mandate masks after Ohio lawmakers passed a veto-proof law giving the General Assembly the power to reject such health orders. Russ?
Okay, Lena Lai in the newsroom. Thank you.
Tonight, a new survey finds that unvaccinated Americans are not changing their behavior. A Kaiser Family Foundation survey found large differences in attitude regarding the COVID-19 vaccine. The research group has been conducting surveys since December, and just last month, over 1,500 adults were surveyed on their thoughts and experiences. Vaccinated adults were more likely to change their behaviors because of the Delta variant, and they say 14% of people still say they will definitely not get vaccinated. Meanwhile, Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine could get final FDA approval by next month, as Lena mentioned. The FDA is in an all-hands-on-deck approach and is moving forward as quickly as possible on Pfizer's application. The rigorous testing and vetting in the full approval process could help increase the confidence of those who may have concerns about the shot's safety. Right now, there are 90 million Americans who are eligible but still not vaccinated.